permutations. Given an array nums of distinct integers, return all possible permutations. You can return the answer in any order. So this is our nums list, and these are all the possible ways that we can write them. So different orders, and here we only have 0, 1, and we have two different lists inside, and one of course just returns one. So this is a backtracking problem. So let's make a result. Let's call it output this time. Output. No, let's just put the output. I'll make a list, and then let's make a backtracking function, helper function, backtracking. So def backtrack and let's call it permutation. Let's call it current permutation. So let's call it outside backtrack, and then that will be our list, empty list, and then let's just put our output, return output. So now let's get into this. So let's make our base case. Base case will be if the length of current permutation is equals to the length of nums, let's add it to result that append current permutation So now we have this. So current permutation. So now let's get into our loop. So for num and nums, if num and if num is inside our current permutation, continue. Else, if it's not, else, hold on. We're still in the loop, so wait a minute. So for nums, okay, we're still in the loop. So let's take that current permutation, and append num, add num to it. So if num is in it, let's skip it, but if it's not, let's take let's just append it. So now let's look. So now let's go. Well, if it's in it, let's skip this loop and move on to the next num and num. So current permutation. So now let's call on the backtrack. Let's backtrack and let's call current permutation, permutation, and then now let's remove it after. So current permutation pop. Add num skip this and move to the next. If current permutation. Okay, now let's see if there's any syntax errors. There might be. I'm not sure. It says name current permutation is not defined. Current permutation. Oh, there's a T missing. Let's try to see if there's any more mistakes. Name result is not. Oh, I called it output. Why did I write result? Output. It says. Well, wait a minute. Hold on. We take this. Oh yes. Forgot to copy it. So copy the. And it's been accepted. So this isn't. So this the time. So for this the time and space complexities are n of 1 n factorial. Wait, no, factorial. And that's it for this problem. Let's submit to see if it works. And that's it for this problem. And so we take we go through this list, check if our current permutation, and then we copy them, and then go through phenomenons to check, and then skip, and then add it, and then backtrack, and we have our output here. And that's it for this problem.